Shaunim de Kukpi and Chinum can the Great Spirit. Takalkach Ptinis with the Schwach Kasla. Touch us in our mind and our heart. And we give thanks to you for this beautiful day, for our breath and for our life. As we gather here today in this small little section of Musqueam land, and also to pay homage to the Skohomish, to the Steelwood Tooth, to the people of the Wolf. All these beautiful people opened up their doors and they opened up their hearts that we could come onto their land. Welcome to all the drummers here and everybody wearing an orange shirt. Welcome to the Allies. You come here to witness something that is very, very important, not only to us, but to each and every citizen in Canada. What we have here today, my dear friends, my dear relatives, we don't come here to show you anything. We come here to share with you what we have learned and picked up along the way in terms of the closing of the last residential school back in 1996. We picked up the pieces. For those little ones that passed on into the spirit world, that we haven't forgotten who they are, that we, as survivors of residential schools, we got their back. If you know a survivor out there, the children, the grandchildren of survivors, send them a good thought, send them a good feeling, and let them know that they're not alone, but we're here for them. But there's one word missing in reconciliation, and that's accountability. And we will and are making the government and the churches accountable for those babies who died in those residential schools. The buck stops right here. So reconciliation means that we each have a responsibility in terms of our thoughts and our feelings and our behaviors. How many religions have this teaching of love and peace and good health? And that is what we wish for each and every one of you.
All of the horrific stories you hear, some of them are even more traumatizing than what you hear. But you know, until they start writing and teaching our children and everyone in throughout the world, the whole history, and we change the history books in school and universities and everything, this is going to continue going on and on and on.
Manito, 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 Kisigo.
We have a responsibility, collectively and individually, to learn and to act today and every day. Let's all continue taking action, continue having these hard conversations, being with this discomfort, advocating for the truth, and advancing reconciliation. As the Honorable Justice Sinclair said, education is what got us into this mess, and education will be what gets us out of it.
Isigo otapo no tau e kisigo chigo patami. Sawi minan chamagi minan. Hai hai.